Kind of a cool part too is like it got struck here, ran down, and then ran to the trunk down here. There's this whole section right here that didn't get struck, or at least burnt from what's visible on the bark. There's a better look at the upper limb here. Yeah, those leaves look pretty fried. I think that discoloration, they probably got crispy. All the water sucked out of them. I doubt that this limb will survive for much longer. But as you can see, starts up there at the very tips, comes down, keeps going down.